Welcome to another segment of Ding Dong Ditch. Are you ready for us to do Ding Dong Ditching? Well, here we go. At 3, 2, 1. Alright, we did another Ding Dong Ditch, so see you later. Good night. Get home safe. I love you, New York. Thank you. Wait for another episode of Ding Dong Ditch.